Guys, Shatta Wale and John Legend on one song. For me, I think that will be a great masterpiece coming up because I love music and I can't wait for this one. If Shatta was able to do it with Beyonce, why can't he do it with John Legend? Yes, it's a good one. But as you know, agenda there every time agenda day because we say fan base people know the rest for Ghana.
I don't want peace. I don't want peace. I want problem. I want problem. Always.
You get it. You get it. If you don't get it, forget it. If you don't get it.
Yeah. How can you tell me this story?
Big banger, biggest of all biggest bangers is coming from the camp of SM, and it be big collabo where it can happen. Yeah, Charles Nyama Mensah, aka Shatta Wale, king of African dancehall. See, he has a song coming up with John Legend, so we should look out for that on the 20th or 21st of March, guys. Shatta Wale and John Legend on one song. For me, I think that will be a great masterpiece coming up because I love music and I can't wait for this one. If Shatta was able to do it with Beyonce, why can't he do it with John Legend? Yes, it's a good one. But as you know, agenda there every time agenda day because we say fan base people know the rest for Ghana. So as Charles Nyama Mensah dropped this one for in timeline top, the Bib natives enter the conversation. They say, Shatta, a whole Shatta. You won't feature somebody. It be John Legend you go carry. You go carry somebody else. It be John Legend you won't go carry. Which one be this? Gangster and Lover Boy. How these two people go free make the song nice. Gangster, you know the SMB, for the streets and Lover Boy. How this song go work? So the Beam natives want to try create problem and agendas for this great collabo where they come up. But me as a peacemaker, I hope they go support. But there's no way they go support. And so guys, whilst we are anticipating for Shatta Wale's song with John Legend, the timeline top make hot. SM and Beam natives they crash them head together. Them heads they clash like this. Gee. Somebody go pull up all the features Stonebwoy do plus all the international artists. Where did they try make we understand? Say, hey, none of them they reach the level of John Legend. This guy, I should say, be SM fan. Shadrach Amono Crib. It's like Grammy Award winners Kerry Hilson, Rick Ross get 0-0. That'll be different. Shadrach Amono says, who is John Legend? They try school the Bib natives, make them know who John Legend is. So he say, I know those 2x4 pin fans are asking this little question out of ignorance. He no mention which fan base, but we know the fan base Shadrach they try talk to. He says, Sean Paul has never seen 2 billion views on YouTube in his entire career before. Charlie, you sure? Yeah, you sure say John? You sure say Sean Paul never get 2 billion views before? Because Sean Paul, they're a global artist too. Sean Paul has never seen 2 billion views on YouTube in his entire career before. Shaggy has never seen 2 billion views on his YouTube in his entire career before. For Kerry Hilson, dear, she's on the same level as Wendy Shea. How, bro? How? All because of agenda. See how you compare Kerry Hilson to Wendy Shea. Who is John Legend? If he divides his career into 10 pieces, your artist still won't touch any of him. And this artist we know say Stonebwoy get music with all of them. So they try to talk say this collab between Shatta and John Legend it be bigger than any collab Stonebwoy than these other artists do. And they go take screenshot of John Legend, all of me. John Legend in music gets 2.6 billion views. Yeah, all of me gets 2.6 billion views. I mean, it's good marketing for SM, for Shatta Wale, because you get the opportunity to tap into this 2.6 billion audience of John Legend. And for me personally, it's good. Let's all enjoy the music, right? And the banter there, it will go on. Whether you talk to me and no do or made and do, it still will go on. So I beg, make you post up the attack Kerry Hilson and all these great superstars. Stoneboy Work Plus. Enyeshi. Unsupported SMA. Enyeshi. But Charlie, you put the dirty other artists too much. See where you put when the shit. Anyway, as we anticipated for the music on the 20th of March, I know say as we be native we do agenda or banter, you still go listen. You still go listen and see if the song good or not. So if it good or not, we go know if the song come out. So guys, yeah. Let me see in the comment section. You can share your thoughts as well in the comment section. This is Parkour Rich Studios. My name is PKB. I'll see you in another exciting episode. Make sure you subscribe to the channel if it's your first time and turn on your notification buttons. It's bye for now. Enjoy.
I don't want peace. I don't want peace. I want problems. I want problems. Always.
You get it? You get it? If you don't get it, forget it. If you don't get it.
Yeah, how can you tell me this story?
All the lie, all the lie. You said all the lie.
Talk to the rich.